We make use of LTMC to migrate the data to our SAP system. This data might be a master data as well. So what you do in LTMC? You go to LTMC and then you download the template. Let's say you want to migrate a supplier data. You download the template for the supplier data, fill the template, and then upload it back so that the data gets transferred. So this template has all those fields related to the supplier. But in case there is a field which is not present in the template, then in that case what will you do? So in that case you need to make use of T code LTMOM. And with this, when you go to LTMOM, you can find the same project which you created in LTMC, and you can add the technical name of the field which you want to add and then map the field. Now once you go back to LTMC, you will find that a new field has been added. So remember, LTMOM is the T code. Hope you like the tip. Subscribe to the channel, like the video.